Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to get the accessories for your character on your Pokemon Go. So, at first, just open your phone, and as you open your phone, open the Pokemon Go app from wherever it is located. And as you open your Pokemon Go app, it takes a while to load because it depends on your internet speed. So all you have to do is just wait. And as it loads, you are in the space as I am. So just stay at the space and look at your left bottom corner for your profile and just click on there at first. And as you click it, go in the option style and click it. And you can see the accessories option right here. Just click it to open the accessories space at first. And as you do that, you can see the list of accessories that you want to get for yourself for your character. And just select any of those, and also you need Pokecoins to buy these accessories for yourself. So guys, that's how you get the accessories for your character on your Pokemon Go. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.